Civic gang, what it do? Welcome back to the channel. Royalty on 24s. I am the pull-up king, winter, summer, fall, spring. I'm in that thing. Back with another video. I'm gonna start it off like this. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. Or happy holidays. You know, some people don't celebrate Christmas, so let's just say happy holidays. Where has royalty on 24s been? I haven't put out a video in about 18 to 20 days. So I'm gonna say this. The crooks came back. They were seen on camera. They did not break in this time because they saw that the Ring doorbell was on. As soon as they walked up the stairs, that light popped on. They went back downstairs. And that was that. But they did come back. I don't know why you would come back so soon. We replaced some stuff, but we didn't replace everything. So basically wasting your time. Alright, so with that said, after that, it was time to look for a new spot. So I've been looking at townhomes, houses. I don't want another apartment. I actually want to get somewhere I can move the Cutlass and the Caprice so I can stop storing them where I'm storing them. I found some stuff, but we decided to, wait a little while before we go ahead and make that move, just so we make sure, since we're both still working full time, we get a spot that's in between. It's equal, even though, like I say, I go to work. I go in every day, Monday through Friday, but we still want to make it equal. Like we have the same drive basically. So still looking. I found some good stuff though, but it just wasn't on the side of town that I would want to stay in. Not that side of town is bad. It's just I'm used to staying on the south side, and a lot of that stuff was on the north side. So 2025 is around the corner. I don't know if I'm gonna have another video this year, but I think I should have two. But 2025 is gonna be a fool. So you gotta stay tuned to the channel. You gotta click that post notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a new video. I don't drop every day because I work Monday through Friday until I'm doing YouTube full time. Can't get a video out every day, but once I'm, doing YouTube full time, I'll be able to get a video out every day. Still working on the Caprice, still working on the Cutlass. I don't know what I'm doing next because, again, everything that's done to the cars is done on the weekend. So you just got to stay tuned to the videos. But there'll definitely be something being done to the video. I'm buying car parts every day for both cars. I'm building them both at the same time, kind of so they'll be at the same pace as far as, they'll be finished like right around the same time. So stay tuned to the channel. Click on that post notification bell so you're notified every time I drop another video. Hold tight. Alright gang, so as y'all can see, I got a trunk full of parts. I just haven't had time to really get everything put on the vehicle, but I got it. Know that. Excuse me. So I've been working on the Caprice a little bit. Yeah, I already know I got the double sunroof done, and it works and everything. I'm about to order these new mirrors. I still haven't done that yet. But as far as excuse me, the inside goes, I already did all the took all the weather stripping off. I just need to go ahead and put the new weather stripping on. So that'll be done. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got the new rear view mirror up there. So that's on. I already replaced the new windshield. Remember the other one was cracked, so I've already replaced that. Got these pillars fixed. So once I'm ready, the car will be ready to paint since that's already done. So I'm about to order these parts. So when I get this fixed, I'll already have the handles and the new, where the key goes. Y'all know what it is. So slow motion, but still motion. As y'all can see, again, I ain't in a rush. I found I gotta get a new screw for the bumper. This bumper is being held on right now by one bolt and screw. I guess the other one must have fell out while I was driving. Still needs a lot of work, but these parts I already have. Anything that's not outside, I do still have in the house somewhere. So yeah, but I want to get both cars to where they're at the same spot. All right, gang. Still got to get the Civic looked at from where the car backed into the door there. Bam Bam Custom said he can fix it for about $350, painted and everything, repainted it. But I was like, I want it all redone at the same time. There's hail damage, but we knew that when we bought the car. There's hail damage that needs to be fixed, as well as the door there. And then I just wanted to paint it all at the same time. All right, I'm back, gang. All right, so first of all, don't think that we are favoring the Caprice over the Cutlass, because I actually favor the Cutlass over the Caprice, but the battery on the Cutlass is weaker. So no, the battery on the Caprice is weaker than the Cutlass. So we have that battery in the garage on the trickle charger, because the Cutlass battery is like brand new. I know when you look at it and you see the leaves, there's trees, you know what I'm saying? So I know when you look at it, you see the leaves and stuff, and like think that we're favoring the Caprice over the Cutlass, but it's actually the other way around. We have the tarp over here because the weather stripping on this driver's side door is the same way as the Cutlass, where basically it's leaking water inside. So we put the bricks and the tarp over it so that we could stop it from raining inside while it's sitting outside. The other reason why I say that, of course, you can see the tags are up to date, so that means it's been inspected. Even though in 2025 we won't have to do the inspection part anymore in the state of Texas, which is cool with me. But the other reason why I say that is that we haven't been driving this car. We just ain't had a lot of time. We both work Monday through Friday, so that's all it is. This one really needs less work. It's more ready to paint than the other one. I'm trying to step over here without getting too much in this mud, but let's see. And the other reason I say that is because this one has a flat tire. We haven't had time to air it up, but we will. We'll get it aired up, and once we get moved, like I say, I'll have both of them in the garage. So that's all that is. But we do not favor one car over the other, even though I actually like the Cutlass more than the Caprice, even though the Caprice is mine and the Cutlass is SS Cherokee's. I favor the Cutlass more because it's faster. My car is not going to leave any smoke. It does have a V8, but it's not going to be burning rubber like this one does when we drive it. So that's what that is. Hold tight. Alright, gang. I know I'm all over the place with this video. I'm not going to hold y'all too long. 2025. Look for us to be out and about again, like I was saying before. We're going to be driving and flying into car shows and car events. This channel, I show all kind of cars. Monster cars, monster trucks, if that's possible, monster car, but definitely monster trucks. I got a show I got to go to on January 4th. It's a monster truck show. Old schools, new schools, supercars, everything is going to be on this channel. But I'm traveling. I'm about to hit the road. Any place that we can drive within 6 to 8 hours, I'll drive. But if it's a longer drive, like from Texas to California, I'm gonna get that video in on Crenshaw. I want to get to California. I'm gonna fly. Going to Atlanta, I'm gonna fly. When I'm going to Orlando, I'm gonna fly. But something like Tennessee, we're gonna drive. Louisiana, we're gonna drive. Mississippi, maybe even Alabama. But there's going to be a lot of content in 2025. So that's what I'm saying. I know it's a lot of YouTubers doing cars and a lot of car channels. Click that post notification bell so you're notified every time I drop another video. You can check it out because I'm getting ready to get on this road to bring y'all the content. I'm trying to bring, different content. You know me. I don't know if you've ever seen a video of me at a dealership, but that's just my channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm more of a car show, pull up in Houston. I'll be in Houston for the MLK Day, also the MLK parade stuff. I'll be down in Houston for that. That's always a good video. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm more of a in the streets. I'm in the streets. You know what I'm saying? I'm in the streets, especially in Texas because it's open carry in Texas. So I ain't worried because the same tool they got is the same tool I got. They didn't stop making tools when they made theirs. So, especially in Texas when it's open carry. At that point, it's like the wild west. Whoever pulled first, So that's why I'm always in Houston. Houston is like my second home. I like Houston. Houston is a party town. You know what I'm saying? When I'm in Houston, I'm everywhere in Houston because it's a party town. So look for that video around the 20th of January. I always try to hit the the MLK parade in Houston. I didn't hit it last year because it was on a Saturday and I work on Saturdays, but now I don't. So we're on H-Town. I'll see y'all in a minute. But yeah, definitely just want to holler at y'all for a little bit, let y'all know that I ain't going nowhere from where I've been for the past 18 to 20 days, trying to get the living situation straight, because the living situation has to be straight in order for everything else to go like it's supposed to go. So I could be working on the cars in the garage overnight, filming while I'm working on the cars. I don't go to sleep to probably, 12, 1, 2 in the morning. So I can be in the garage working on cars, but the cars are stored in a different place from where I'm staying at. But if I get me a townhome, or if I get a house with a 2-car garage, I can have both of the, the old schools in the garage and just be working on them, throughout the night and kind of filming and give me a little bit more content. Again, y'all stay tuned to the channel, man. Click that all post notification bell so you're notified, man. Click that bell. Again, I just want to tell y'all, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Stay tuned. I am the Pull-Up King. Winter, summer, fall, or spring. I'm in that thing. Peace.